Hey, this is Stuart from Logmaster. You may remember me from such support calls as what's my password, or another call like, hey, I just downloaded the app, how do I get started? And I'm shooting this video to take it from the top, assuming that you have done the sign up form on the website, found your way there, and you're watching the first training video. So here I am doing what you probably just did. So to take it back, you would have got onto Logmaster either because a mate or a friend or a boss or a client recommended you hit our website and you signed up as a solo driver. Either that or your employer has got a Logmaster account and they have invited you. They've shouted you a diary. You've received an email and a link. You've done the password. So now you've got an email and a password and you've signed into the app. So I'm just going to catch up with you. This is my brand new account just like yours. Let's log in and see what happens. And we'll take it through a few of the next steps for you so we can get you going on Logmaster. So here it is. You probably did this a moment ago to get to this video. I've signed into the app, and because I've never done the training, it's taking me to the portal. So this portal is the same as a web portal. Think of it as your banking. You've got an app, and you can also sign in to your account on a website. So this portal is something you can also see by signing into logmaster.com.au. Go to the login up there on a computer or on your phone, and you'll sign in with the same email and the same password as you use on your app, and you'll get into the portal here. So I'm just opening the portal, and it's just loading up, and we're going to see a couple of things on the side menu that are important, that you can access anytime as a user, and you can get going and control your account and so on. So that's loaded up, and we can see dashboard driver, my name here, Stuart Demo. I've not got any vehicles yet, and a data grid. That might be useful another time, but what I'm going to do is open the side menu here and have a look on the side. So dashboard. So businesses, any businesses that have either invited me to link or that I have created myself in the app will be here. So a link business is one which has linked up, so they have a business account and they've joined on with me. A user created business means that I was in the app, I wanted to log against a certain business name, and I wrote it in the app, and now it's listed here. Further down, compliance. So on compliance report, I can see my logbook, and I can also send myself copies. Report scheduling is really important. You can go in here on report scheduling, and you can set up to send copies of your logbooks every week to an email address. Enter it in there, press add in email, and then adjust it's either weekly, it's either every Sunday, or it's monthly, whatever you want it to be. And that way you can send your report to whoever you need to. That might be a company that you work for if they don't have a company account and they're not linked to you, or yourself if you want to have copies every week or every month, or anywhere else that you want to send those reports to. Further down, here's manual event. So in here, you can draw in a day or a week or a month's worth of events that have already happened. So you can go into this tool, you can select a fatigue plan and so on. You can select a time zone and set yourself up. You can put in a vehicle. I'll just do this is one here. And then you can go in here and you can draw in your days. Works a bit better on a computer, but this is a manual drawing tool for filling in missing stuff on your diary. Explore it, work it out, and but use it on a big screen on a computer. Or the other way, you can adjust your, if you can work out how to adjust your device to show full size, the same as a computer screen, you'll be able to use this here as well. Breach confirmation, that's so you can see any breaches that have been calculated and confirm them or not. Driver wallet, this will contain documents that have been shared to you by any companies that you work for. But most important at this stage down here, you've got your platform training. So I'll get to that in a moment. License details. So if you want to update your license, you're the only person that can do this. You can come in here and change your license number, and you can also update your expiry date and so on. Your employer might ask you to do this because they can't do it for you. This is your diary. even if someone else has shouted the subscription, or whether you paid for it yourself. And you've got a knowledge base and some release notes here. So I'm going to jump to what we need to do here now. The reason you've been brought to platform training, the portal, sorry, straight from the app, is because you need to watch the training videos first before you get started on actually logging in the app. So what we're looking at right now is your driver account with the training videos, and it's been opened from the app. This whole environment is not the electronic work diary, it's your account portal. And what you can do here is watch these next training videos. Obviously I've popped up here, but you can watch this one, you can declare it, and then you can make your way down through the other videos and tick them off. And when you have ticked these all off, you can then use the app the way you wanted to. I hope you do watch them, especially the ones which help you to create work and rest events. These are going to help you to work out not just how to press the button at the time, but also how to go back and create events which have happened in the past. For example, if you started work at 9 o'clock this morning, it's now 10 o'clock, you haven't pressed the button, you can press the button and dial it back to then adjust the time and place, that sort of thing. You can also edit your diary if you made mistakes earlier in the day and you get a chance to fix them. And you want to get all of your edits and mistakes and anything you want to change done before you sign off and lock. So if there's one thing I can say is important in this video at this early stage, don't sign off and lock at the end of your day if there's a mistake or incorrect information there. That's a declaration that the information that you're signing off is true and correct. If you're at a spot where you're about to sign off and lock events and you notice the information's wrong, X out of there and go back and do your edits like you'll see in these videos. I'm giving you a jump ahead. This video is before training, but it's to give you a head start. And then watch these training videos, get into them, learn how to use Logmaster. And then when all of those are ticked off and clear, see that in the top right, that little X in the top right of your screen, you can X out of here and you can get back to the app and get started on Logmaster. Thanks, and I'll talk to you if you got any questions. Thanks.